Alright, hi guys, how are ya? So as you know, I've got a 2019 KRT edition Ninja 400, and I thought I'd just bring you a quick video to show you what my setup was for a phone mount on this bike, because you know, I've had this bike for around 6 months now, and I've been looking to get a phone mount for quite a while, and I found it quite difficult to find a lot of good information out there. So here it is. I'm going to show you my setup. It works really well, and hopefully it provides you with some value. Okay, so here we have my 2019 KRT Ninja 400. You'll also notice I've got a Leo Vince pipe on there as well. So for my phone mount, I am using the Quadlock mount there. This is the motorcycle attachment. Now, a lot of people on the internet are saying that this attachment doesn't actually fit onto this bike because this bike's got a really weird sort of part in here and not really much handlebar space. However, there is enough for this attachment to fit on the handlebar here. This is the middle attachment, so it comes with this, the motorcycle attachment for the bar. You know, you screw it on really tight, and look, that's not going anywhere. I preferred this type of attachment over the other type that's out there, the you know, the X mount ones. I feel like my phone's gonna fall out if I have it in that, and I quite like the case that comes for the phone. I haven't got the phone in there because I'm actually filming with it at the moment. So overall, this is quite a good attachment for this bike. You know, like I said, it's rock solid. It's the middle size attachment for it that I've got on there, and it just does not go anywhere. So at the start, when you first get this, it can be quite awkward to get the case actually on the holder. And you know, even now I still haven't really got it down pat. There we go. You know, so every day I'm getting a bit better at it. I've only had it on there for about a week, but the first time it took me quite a long time to actually get it on there. Once it's on there though, it's really secure. It does move around a little bit, but it's not going anywhere. You know, I've been on the highway with that, going 100, 110, 120 kilometers an hour, no problems whatsoever, because the wind, it flows over this, so it does not affect it at all. So that's how it comes on and off. You know, it just twists on and off. Like I said, it does take a bit of getting used to get it on and off. There we go, I got it first time there. But once it is on, it doesn't budge. So it is really secure once it is on. I actually quite like this case. I think all up it cost around $100. This was $70 and this was around $30. So, you know, overall, not too bad value because it's really secure. Anyway, I thought I'd just bring you that quick video just to show you that the Quadlock motorcycle mount does actually work on the Ninja 400. It does fit onto that little section in there, because a lot of people have told me that it doesn't. Some other people have tried to put it in here. I don't think that would work as well. But yeah, so there you have it. The Quadlock does work on the Ninja 400. You can fit it on. So hopefully this provides value to anyone that's got a Ninja 400 looking for a phone mount, or is looking to get this bike and is looking for a phone mount. So yeah, thanks guys.